Hi, this is Rony Mullick, and you're watching the Post Market Show. Today, after Friday's rally, we had a good positive start to September. Today, the rally continued, and the point I have been talking about for multiple days, weeks, I would say, is that Nifty should end above 19,500 on a closing basis, and that is the time we will be expecting to go bullish slightly on the market, and that has happened finally. So are good things ahead. Let's wait and watch. So today things have been really good. It was the IT sector moving up with a lot of strength, especially Infosys, and also we have the metal stocks as well moving with a lot of strength. And banking did kind of okay, I would say, not that much bullish, but it was in the positive. So most of the sectors ending in the positive. It was a good day for the markets. Nifty rallied with a lot of strength. Most importantly, closing above 19,500 was an important event, and that has happened. So let's look into the markets and see. So you can see Nifty's chart opened with a gap up, and immediately the sell-off started. Where did it take support? 19,432, and it opened at 19,520. 520. What is it? Yeah, 526, exactly where we marked. So that is the beauty of supports and resistances. And you can see markets came down, took support, moved back up, just ending above 19,528 is the closing point, 48% up. And so ending above the day's high is definitely a good sign. Maybe positive days are up ahead, at least for the short term. Back Nifty, a very similar movement, opening above 44,500 and then coming under selling pressure in the first 1.5 hours, and then moving back up, but could not break the day's opening. So that is there. Bank Nifty up by 0.32%. Mid caps and small caps, nothing to say. A fantastic rally every day, new all-time high. Today is no different. 0.98% up. Mid cap, small caps up by 1.02%. So every day new all-time high, nothing much to see there. And today it was the FMCG sector, the only sector which came down again, very slightly, I would say 0.13% down. But we have other sectors all ending in green, deep green. Are some sectors. What are they? IT index up by 2.06%. Last swing high of July has been broken decisively. That is a good sign. PSU Bank index up by 2.43%. A fantastic rally over there, but the swing high of 24th August is still yet to be broken. What other sectors did well? Energy is up by 1.14%. Metals having a fantastic rally, and it has been continuing, and it is 2.28% up today. So that is an amazing time happening in metal index. What else is there? We have the reality up by 1.15%, media up by 1.59%, and the rest are between 0 and 1%. So you can see most of the stocks have rallied today, and in Nifty 50 as well, most of the stocks are up. And Infosys, HDFC Bank, HCL Tech, TCS, Tata Steel, Ultratech Cement, all are up in the top gainers of Nifty 50. In banking stocks, the Axis Bank has come under selling pressure, and ITC is down by 0.8%, M&M slightly down, Bajaj Finance slightly down. So the financial sectors or financial services, Nifty Fin stocks did not do that well today, but it was a consolidating day, I would say, for them. Okay, DII and FII activities. FII is okay, still sell. They continue to sell today for 3,367 crores, and we have buying from DIIs for 2,563 crores. So net institutional figure is still on the selling side. Okay, so that is the situation right now. Now, US markets are closed today because of 4th of September, Labor Day. So let's look into the data. If anything has come up today, no data, that important data is there. And tomorrow we have the Korean inflation data, South Korean inflation data coming out. Okay, interest rate decision of Australia, Indian services and PMI data is coming out tomorrow. So that's there. So yeah, nothing much is there. So not that important. The data which are coming, those are not that important for tomorrow. So that is there. So Australian markets are closed, as I have said. So on Friday, they have ended in the positive. Australian markets, that is good. And that is why we had a rally today. But if you look at it, let's look at the other markets like European markets. European markets are not doing that well. They are slightly down. UK down by 0.4%, French and German markets both slightly down. And Asian markets are doing fantastic. Hong Kong market especially up by 2.5%. That is a massive rally indeed. Okay. What else do we have? We have the Japanese market up by 0.7%. And we have the Chinese and Korean markets both up by 0.8%. So this is the situation right now. Asian markets bullish. The European markets are slightly under selling pressure, but Indian markets are doing well. India VIX fell by 3.5% once again and closing at 10.96. That is really low, I would say. Coming to commodities, crude oil prices did break through 84, 85 levels. Now it's consolidating over there. And okay, stocks, not stocks, let's see what are these. The metals. Aluminum is down by 1.4% today, interesting. But iron is up 0.5% today, continues to move up. And the rest of the metals are slightly down, nothing much, just 0.2, 0.4% down. Gold prices remain static for the last 3 days at 1938 in the global markets. Dollar index is again flat at 104.13. Indian rupee, nothing changed much. 82.69 is the levels, and against euro, it's at 89.28. Again, much hasn't changed, and GBP is around 104.4. So the things are decent, I would say. Now tomorrow is the Fin Nifty expiry, so open interest is saying Fin Nifty is likely to be stable. Put call ratio is at 0.96 and it's pretty balanced. On the call side, we have 19,900 and 19,800 calls added in huge quantities. Support side 19,600, 19,700 puts are there. Nifty, back Nifty, Nifty is very bullish. 1.32 is the put call ratio. So you can see huge amounts of put at 19,300, 400, 500 levels. Calls not that so much, not that much. 9,600, 19,700 has calls, but there are way less in numbers. Mac Nifty has a good support at 44,000 and above that we have 45,000 as the resistance. 44,500 straddle is also built up. Put call ratio slightly above 1, it's at 1.18, indicating mild bullishness in Back Nifty as well. Now let's look into the Nifty Fin expiry, Fin Nifty expiry tomorrow. What are the levels? So say same thing, 19,816 to be looked at on the upside, then 19,951 on the downside, 19,632. Looks like a consolidating expiry to me tomorrow. The way it is built up, there shouldn't be much of a trend. And coming to Nifty and Bank Nifty levels, Nifty is slightly above 19,500, so that is looking good. So tomorrow it could be a consolidating day, or it could be a pullback, but I won't expect it to be a major trend reversal or markets coming down because of the V-shaped recovery today. So there are buying pressures. So now we will be looking at upper levels at 19,566, then 19,650 to 670 zone is there, but most importantly 19,730. That we can wait at least till Thursday. So immediate resistance 19,566, 19,650 to 670. Downside 19,523, 19,432. These are the levels to watch out for. Back Nifty has resistances at 44,775. That's there. Then we have 45,074. That level is there. But in between 44,950 can act as a mild resistance, but that's I wouldn't say that's that important. So this is there. Back Nifty above 45,070 will be a pretty strong bet on the bullish side, I would say. Downside, we have 44,500, 44,150 as supports for Bank Nifty. So these are the levels to watch out for tomorrow. And tomorrow we have the Fin Nifty expiry. Not expecting much of a trend there. It could be volatile. It could be moving in both directions, but should be a calm expiry. VIX is also low. That is all from my side. Thank you for watching and have a very good night.